All right, today we have Lily here helping us with some videos. She's a friend of Zoe's. And I'm going to introduce her to multiplication. Now, I think you've already been watching some of our videos and you might already know this, but let's pretend you don't, okay? Maybe you don't, I don't know. Let's look over here. You see this top part? It says what?
2 of 3.
2 of 3. So that means you're going to get 2 of the 3 rods. Can you show me 2 of the 3 rods?
6.
What did you say?
6.
That's right, 6. And she's lining it up. She already knew what to do. So there's one way you can do it. If you don't already know that it's 6, you line it up. Or you could even make a
or you could do
rectangle like that.
Or you could do this. Yeah, but that would be for you too.
That's right.
You can do that if it's easier.
And this, we say this as 3 of 2. You see how we have 3 of the 2's? And this one is 2 of 3. So that's what this is. And they both, you're right, they both make 6. That's going to be another one of our videos.
So there's 6 there?
And yep, you already knew it.
It's times and of.
That's right. If we see a times symbol like that, we say of. So this you read 2 of 3. You could also say 2 times 3. But
you could do it either way.
Yeah, if you get confused, say 2 of 3. Okay, let's move down here. What does this say, Lil?
It says 4 of 5.
Okay, can you get 4 of the 5 rod?
4 of 5 rod. 4.
Okay, she's going to get 4 of them.
1.
Now, one way you could do this would be... Oh, you know what? We don't even need those. I just want 4 of the 5 rod right now. So one way you could do is... You are just jumping way ahead. Yep. She already knows the answer. You could make a fat rectangle like this one. You see how that one's fat rectangle?
Big fat.
And you could count them by 5s, or I think you did by 10s. Is that what you did? 10 and 10 is 20? Yeah, that's what she did. Or the other way, if you don't know the answer and you don't know how to count by 5s, you could line them up like this and make a long skinny rectangle. You see how that's still, well, it's not a very good one. But do you see how that's still a rectangle? And then we can measure it against our 10s and see that it is, in fact, 20. So a long skinny rectangle or a short fat one. And she wrote the answer already, 20. Okay, so how do we read this?
6 times 2.
Or?
6 of 2.
Okay, can you get 6 of the 2 rod?
Mind if I borrow that?
Go ahead. Alright. Just got 4 of them. Now, are you going to make a long skinny rectangle or
2,
a fat one?
4. Or you could count by 2s.
You could count by 2s.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
There you go. That works too.
Or you could do 2 times 6.
Yeah, we'll do that in another video though. Okay, next one. 2 of 4. So get 2 of the 4 rods. 2 of 4. 4s are purple.
So you could do it either way. That way or that way.
Yeah, you already know about the
So it would
commutative
be
property.
8. See, 4 plus 4 is 8. And then 2, 4, 6, 8.
That's right, and that's the same as well. So she did a long skinny rectangle.
Which helps me.
It helps you that way. And if she didn't already know what 4 plus 4 is, she could line it up with the 8 rod. Or you could also do it this way. And watch this, Lil. What's this side of the rectangle?
It is 4.
And what's
4,
this side of the rectangle?
2.
That's right. When we're multiplying, we can just make rectangles.
4, 2.
See? 2 is one side, and 4 is the other side.
Yep.
Make sense? Oh, you already wrote that down. Show me this with the rods. 7 of the 1 rod. 7 of our 1s. There's only one way to make that rectangle.
This way.
Yep,
We have
just a
7
long
of them.
skinny.
And then there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
There you go. So here's our rectangle. What's on this side? How many?
7.
And how many is on this side?
1.
That's right. Okay, how about 1 of 10?
That's easy, just like 7 of
10.
Can you show me with
really
rods?
easy 'cause-
Show me 1 of 10.
That's actually 10 of 1 you're doing.
Yep, can you show me 1 of the 10 rod? Listen to what I'm saying. I want 1 of the 10 rod. Can you hold it up? Hold up 1 of the 10 rod. There you go. That's what we're talking about. And that, you don't even have to add anything, do you?
Yeah.
You just know it's 10. Okay, last one. 8 of 10.
Easy.
8 of 10. Yep, you already knew it, didn't you? Can you show me with the rods? 8 of the 10 rod. All right, so she's gonna make a fat rectangle, right? And then count by tens.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80.
That's right. Should write
So I was
these.
right.
So that one, it's easier to make a fat rectangle than a long, skinny one. And let's look at this rectangle. Tell me, what's this side?
10,
And what's this side?
10,
Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 80. So that size 80. I can make this up.
Yep, so that side's 8 and that side's 10. In fact, can you write 8 and 10? 8 and 10. And let's lift this up and put what the whole amount is. Put it right there, 80. 80. We're going to hide the whole amount. See how that works? I think I want to do a few more with you. Let me write them down. Okay, Lily.
Okay, we have 8 times 8 of 5.
Yep, that's good. 8 of 5. Show me 8 of the 5 rods. Whoops, you're grabbing 5 of the 8s. There you go. 8 of the 5s. And make either a long skinny rectangle or a short fat rectangle. Okay, short fat rectangle. Now I want you to write, what's on this side? Well, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4.
40.
No, count them like this. 1,
2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write 8.
8. And then on this side is 5.
Okay.
And
And how many altogether? Write it underneath. You need to count them. You count by 5s.
so it'd be 40 because I already counted
You already
it.
counted it, didn't you? Okay, so we'll hide that 40 underneath. That's the total amount. So one side is 8, other side is 5. And she's going to write 40 right here. The other way to do that would be to line these all up in a long skinny rectangle.
I would rather not do.
Yeah, it takes a long time.
I can
And
erase
put
this.
tens. All right, go ahead and erase that. So that's the other way in case your child cannot count by 5s. Okay, last one. Here's a super big one. 11 of 10. Get 11 of the 10 rods.
Easy. 1,010. That's 1,010.
You think it's 1,010? You remember how big our 1,000 cube was? Is that as big as our 1,000 cube? Yeah, it was pretty big, wasn't it?
Okay, so this side is 10. This side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
That side's 11.
And then it equals
How much is just 10 tens?
10.
Without that guy, how much is this?
There'd be 100.
100. And then add your other 10 in there.
110.
Okay, so
So-
write it under there. 110. That's, oh, do we need that other 0?
That would be 1,100.
Yeah, there's your 110. And that's how you write it. Okay, write the answer up here. 11 times 10? 110. It's pretty good.
That's
For just
a
starting
very
out.
big number.
That is a really big number.